So these bins fit perfectly in my Whirlpool. This is my garage fridge. The kids are really rough on it, so we broke like 3 of the drawers. So I bought 2 2-packs of these drawers. So we have some, and so far 0 issues. It works really, really well. It fit like a glove. These work great. I love these bins. I don't know why I didn't think about it earlier. We were almost completely binless for a really disgustingly long time. And then my husband said, why don't you just order some? Did not even occur to me. So I ordered them. Best decision ever. They fit. It was really easy. Just make sure you match up your model number, because these also fit in our old Kenmore fridge. So yeah, just check. The easiest way to check to find yours is look up your model number. It's usually like on the sticker in here. And then once you find your model number, then Google like the part number once you find your fridge, and then make sure that part matches up. But other than that, it was easy and beautiful.